making this retention pond deeper and wider on this end, putting in a more parking area, paved blacktop parking area, and it is not sized for this retention pond. So retention pond gets bigger, and then we can cut in the parking lot bigger up over yonder, up over the hill there. Did some other things here. I haven't been on video in a bit. I'm running truck today, hauling this topsoil out. We got to strip this all the way out around, and I figure why not. The air conditioner went out yesterday, and I bought a new one overnight. This is my AC for the day. What can I tell you? I checked the coolant in the AC lines. They're up to par, up to spec, up to pressure. I don't know if the pump went or if I got an electrical issue. I didn't get that far. He's just gonna chop out a driveway for me here so I can back in here and down in the hole. And just thinking of something here. I'm gonna walk up top, get the roller. Gotta redo the inflow structure here. It's just some erosion going on, and we're gonna be another 2.5 feet deeper from the bottom of that inlet. So someone else had come in and put this stone in, and the job changed, scope of work changed. They left. This might have been a year and a half ago, I guess. So that's the topsoil they stripped when they put this in. We are now going to take this all the way past the topsoil pile. Back to these stakes. It's going to be all blacktop. Stake here, stake way down yonder, and that over there gets filled 4 feet maybe. Water's coming this way around to grade the slopes off. Yeah, this is it is what it is. Oh man, I need to get a couple bungee cords, huh? Get that hot air out of here. Yeah, the AC for today, salt from pretzels. I mean, it's blowing air in my door here, but boy, it's warm. Strapped her in. We'll make it work. So basically just making this basin wider here. Wider on this end and deeper to accommodate extra parking lot. Put some rainliters in here last week from the inlet all the way up around. These stone areas are going to pave. A lot of utilities in here. It was fun hand digging around all that stuff. Different feeds going in. Like this is a main building. 2 feeds going in, 2 feeds going back there. Transformer, a lot of handwork, but we got it done. And it's hard to imagine, but this whole area will be blacktop for parking.
How you doing, sir? How you doing? We want you to take the roller down there. We're gonna start building a berm. I want to show you, make sure you know how to do that again. It's probably been a while. Come on, and I'm going down. Huh?
I remember how to put a roller.
All right. Just want to be sure. Just go across the parking lot, down that lower driveway. Probably stay around the edge. I wouldn't go across the middle because you might see some scuff marks from the roller. You know what I mean? Now you got to be careful with this. It's got a 454 in it and 4-barrel carburetor. She'll get away from you.
Yeah, just try to go around the edge, I think, because if you went right across the middle, you'll see the little scuff marks, you know what I mean? She's purring. I'll see you down there, you all right?